In this video, we will learn about using the hero blocks on your Zenfolio website. To get started, click on the website icon on the left-hand side of your account dashboard to enter the website editor. From here, you'll need to select a specific page that you want to add the block to. Once you've selected that page, you'll need to click on the very first orange plus icon that appears on this page. The other orange plus icons further down the page will not allow you to add a hero block because the hero blocks can only be added at the very top of the page. Once you've selected that orange plus icon at the top of the page, you will see 4 hero options: hero image, hero carousel, hero frames, and hero video. Let's quickly go over each of these. Starting with hero image, this will allow you to add one individual image to the top of your page. On the left-hand side, you can use the replace photo option to choose what photo will appear within this block. There are other options for this particular hero block, including changing the title, the caption, and choosing whether or not you want the button to appear within this block. If you turn the button on, you can change the label for the button and where it links to. It can link to a gallery, a page on your website, or a URL on the internet. Next, let's take a look at the hero carousel. This will allow you to add a slideshow of images to the top of your page. Once you have this hero carousel block added, on the left-hand side, you can use the images section to add the different images that you want to appear within this block. For the images that are already here by default, go ahead and click on one of these and use the replace photo button to change the photo. If you need to add more images, you can click on add media. In the appearance section, you can change how this block performs. Use the caret option to change what color the caret arrow will appear as. Use the animation option to change how the images switch between each other. Navigation will change the color of the arrows that appear on the left or right-hand side of the block. Transition allows you to choose whether the images switch automatically or if the website visitor needs to manually change the photos using the navigation arrows. And then the speed will control how quickly the images move between each other when they are set to an automatic transition. Next, we'll take a look at the hero frames. This will allow you to add 3 animated sections within the hero block. You'll have a left frame, a middle frame, and a right frame to add photos to. With this particular block, there will be different layouts that you can choose from. On the right-hand side of the hero block, click on Layout to change between the 4 different layout options. Once you've selected the layout that you like, you can then begin adding photos to the frames. Select left frame, middle frame, or right frame, and then begin adding media. You'll be able to add images from your galleries or from your desktop. You can also change how the photos transition between each other, the speed at which they transition, as well as the padding above and below the block. And lastly, the hero video block will allow you to add a video to the very top of this page. Once you select this particular block, on the left-hand side, under the video section, you can select the source, which can be a URL from YouTube or Vimeo, or a video that you have uploaded to one of your galleries. By default, the video will appear as a video within the hero block. However, if you want to add a specific cover image, you can turn this on, which will allow you to choose an image from your galleries or from your computer. You can also choose to turn on or off autoplay, as well as whether or not the audio starts muted or turned on and whether or not the video loops. You can also add a title and a caption to this video. Once you've completed making all of the changes to your website, be sure to publish the website by clicking on the publish icon in the top right-hand corner and choosing publish site. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.